Oh. Ray Unicorn D125CS. Yes, finally. So there is Unicorn face bolt and clear wheel, Ray metal wheel, D125 track, and CS bottom. Disassemble. I have it may look like battle damage because the metal is not shiny anymore because I battled it for a long time and I wasn't able to make a video with it in time. So here is the metal wheel. Put the stickers here, and here, and on these sides, on these edges. It's the metal wheel. Ray is similar to the Hell wheel too because it has these bumps. Unicorn, see there, the yellow parts are the horn of the unicorn, and if you look, there's the head, and this little tip is the ears. And there, unicorn. A transparent D125 CS, and we'll sharpen rubber around it. Disassemble it. Now let's test it on Gravity Perseus AD145 WD. First, here we go. Oh. Whoa, the unicorn loses. They both loose, and now we're all set. Perseus counter mode. Three, two, one, go. This is a really explosive battle. Perseus wins. So that's it. Unicorn. It is a very good bay, and its recommended parts are, you should put MFH face bolt. The Unicorn clear wheel is okay, and the clear wheel is okay. The metal wheel is okay too, but you should put on the 90 or 85 track, and for the bottom is RF or R2F from Pegasus Galaxy. That's it.